Hello friends, welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to use a compass in an iPhone.
So friends, for finding the compass, you have to go for search here in iPhone apps. Just press search and press compass. Usually there is an inbuilt app or widget for iPhone as a compass. I'll just press compass here. Your compass will open up, and here you can see that which is the direction, like east, west, north, south. Here even the angle of east is also showing up, like 90 degree east, and your coordinates, your city, your elevation, that is the altimeter, your altitude, everything will be shown up in your compass. So if you're going for some kind of adventure or something else, this compass you can trust on. That is this native app of iPhone. So friends, this is how you use compass in your iPhone. Do use it when you find it's required, and it's light and useful. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. Please do share this video across various platforms so that many people will come to know of this thing on iPhone, and please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such videos, more of such technical videos in this channel. So see you again, see you soon. Keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.